Well, it looks like we just arrived in Texas. We're gonna go meet Klean and Tony at the Airbnb. Why is cameraman Dan not filming? We're gonna go kill some pigs.
Oh, how was that sleep, dude?
It was fucking sick.
How much did you get?
None.
How much sleep did you get?
Ain't shit.
I'm gonna do it in slow motion for the YouTube video. One of those really cheesy, like, fist bumps. Like, all right, well, we just got to the, what is this called? The airport?
It's a heliport now.
Heliport, it's a heliport now. We got Luke from Heli Concepts. Introduce yourself.
My name's Luke, Heli Concepts. I met Micah here in, what, October?
Matagorda at the Kilo Warm Fuzzy party.
A little bit further south of here. And we're gonna be killing a lot of pigs today.
We'll go through the crew and all their setups. I'm running the LMT Spec War, running the RC2, EOTech. Tony, what you running? It's kind of like a Knights versus LMT thing, so this will end the debate.
We got a 11.5 SR15 upper on an LMT lower.
That's a pretty sick setup. I'm excited for Tony to show off his night setup. Your night setup is wicked. Klean, what you got?
We got a Sons of Liberty Gunworks here, just an EOTech NGAL, Shipfire Mini, Sandman S with the 556 MCAT. It's kind of my workhorse, I like this thing.
Showed up with the Angle. Cameraman Dan running.
I'm just rocking a 11.5 one that I put together with a bunch of loaner gear from the homies. This one's from my boy Cameron, and then Micah set it up with the D-ball there, so we'll see how she does, I guess.
Klean, I also noticed that you have a 5.7 pistol strapped to your chest.
And I do.
What are you planning on doing with that?
I plan on killing some pigs with it, because on my live stream here, one of my buddies bet me $100 if I can kill a hog with this thing out of the heli. So I got the VMAX ammo ready to go, so we'll see what we can do.
Guys, before we get into the content today, I'm just gonna jump right to the sponsors, knock them out, and then we can enjoy the content. Biggest sponsor of the channel right now, guys, is OpticsPlanet, providing you with Micah 7, okay? Use that, abuse that, it works on anything. Legitimately, just go hog wild. See what I did there? Guys, second sponsor for today is Shooting Surplus, some of my best friends, some of the best in the biz. They've been around for a hot minute, okay? They're gonna get you taken care of. They offer you Micah 7 as well. Use it, abuse it. Third sponsor for the video, they've been around since the beginning. You know them, you love them. It is Americana Pipedream Apparel. Go ahead and check out their military surplus and other goodies. I guarantee you there's something on there that you will want to buy, especially now that you know that I have the coupon code BUSSIN. One of the biggest MVPs for this video specifically was Last Shot, my ammo sponsor, okay? Sent me some 77 grain SMK Mark 262. That Black Hills stuff was legitimately splitting them and doing nasty things, okay? So thank you, Last Shot. If you guys want some violent ammo, free shipping over $250 with coupon code BLOOD. how many did you say we got? 13. We got 13 on the first go around. We got the heli behind us. We got Klean. You do?
Yeah, check this out.
Klean, I don't know if we got on video. Bro actually killed one with a 5.7 straight to the back of the nose.
No, it was more just getting close enough for the eye relief. Yeah.
Because normally, you're like here, and your eye relief's a-okay, but in the helicopter you just don't. Because
I had it fully, the stock fully in.
Yeah, because if you don't, then you're running into the controls or whatever. Oh yeah, dude, you have like this much of a. We're at Terry Black's Barbecue, which is like a competitor to Franklin's. I'm really excited. I'm a huge connoisseur of meat, specifically barbecue. And I mean, you roll up to this spot and it just smells so good. Hey, that's not. Look at this brisket. You see this brisket, man? You see this brisket? Are you sure? Yeah. That's the money shot. Oh no! Hey, son. That should be illegal. That shouldn't be a thing. That's like a controlled substance, right?
Bro, you can't even use one hand.
That's like a $200 tray right there. Yeah, you want to drop that.
We gotta have Tony carry it for us, dude. That's way too heavy for these arms.
You know, yeah. This is not your Thanksgiving turkey. It's actually leaking juices. Oh, baby. What do you think that weighs?
7-8 pounds.
Oh, there, we can check it out.
There's several ways to make this better. This is the best it could possibly be, in my opinion.
To a place where blind men see. Can you take me higher? To a place where blind men see. Can you take me higher? To a place where golden streams. Oh, I would like a world of change.
Nod setup.
Keep all my stuff in a Faraday bag, you know, never know when a solar flare is gonna hit. So tonight we're running a White Foss PBS 14, and we got a Reap-Fire Patrol on here. Also got some backups as well. I think Gen 3 DT NVGs. I think one of the homies are gonna be using these.
All right, Tony, what you got?
I'm gonna be running a PBS 14 bridged with an Envision Knox 18 thermal.
Yeah. I am running. These are from DARQ Industries. Those are my homies over there. That's where I recommend getting nods from. But these are AR NVGs. So they're kind of like the newer articulating RNVGs, all aluminum housing, running Elbit tubes.
All right, so this is going to be our guide for the night. Angel, thank you so much for having us out. I really appreciate it. Do you want to give yourself a plug so if anybody does want to do this, they know where to go?
I'm Sandy Creek Outfitters. You can on Instagram it's Sandy Creek Outfitters, or it's Sandy Creek Outfitters tx@gmail.com. You can just hit me up an email and we can schedule on.
I'll also put the info down below in the description, so if you guys are interested, I'll make it super easy to get in contact with him. But yeah, so what's the game plan? What's it looking like?
Man, it's the moon's a little bright tonight, but we'll be okay. We're gonna sneak out. This is old rice field stuff, and they're usually rooting around. Man, this is 24,000 acres we're gonna be on tonight. So it's gonna be pretty sick. It's gonna be sick, man. It's gonna be fun. A lot of it hasn't been planted yet, but a lot of it, this is a waterfowl deal, so there's water everywhere. Still from the duck hunting. So there's a good opportunity. We're gonna run some pigs, man. I'm so ready to kill some shit.
I am super ready.
Tac Pack is back on the channel for the third time. Rest assured, if you do get yourself Tac Pack, a monthly subscription service that is for the AR-15 enjoyer, you will be using what's in that pack. Some examples of things that come in the Tac Pack, like Ear Pro, you got like mechanics gloves, Beavis and Butthead tactical merch, you got SOG knives, trigger, 2-stage trigger, rails, and just so much more, guys. And I have word from the guys over at Tac Pack that this next box that they'll be shipping out is the highest value Tac Pack they've ever sent out in over 8 years of operation, okay? $388 of value in your box for only a $139 subscription. Now, I also can sweeten the deal with my coupon code SHEESH. It's actually just SHEESH with 2 E's. They didn't let me do that many characters, which gives you an additional box valued at about $98, which brings you just about under a $500 value if you take Tac Pack up on this deal. So once again, guys, check out Tac Pack. Link will be in the description. Can't thank them enough for sponsoring this channel.
I hear a cow. There's a cow right there. So it's like a tiny little thing right there.
Really small.
Yeah.
So in the middle of both the cows.
Yeah, I see it. All right, so first impressions with the Holosun Thermal. So far, I'm actually gonna go ahead and hit record because you can record on this thing. All right, so I long pressed the up arrow and now it's flashing that I am recording. It has a percentage next to the recording button, which I assume means memory. I'll double check that. But dude, now that I'm actually out here getting to scan things, I immediately found a rabbit, and that rabbit's gotta be a few hundred yards. So yeah, definitely the detection range. I don't think we're gonna have an issue. I'll display what I'm seeing right now.
I got it on.
Obviously I got bolt open, no mag.
No, who makes it now?
This is promising. I'm pretty excited for this.
On the road. Cool. And come back.
Just try to wait for them to come this way, or
Yeah,
what?
there's no. So they just texted me. There's pigs down there.
He did a 180.
Did he?
Yeah. Oh, he turned.
Oh, he turded. That's a big old turd right there.
I don't see the entry or exit routes anywhere. I think y'all might have shot him in the face somewhere.
No, I'm good, dog. I ain't touching nothing. All right. I mean, 2 pigs down. Not bad.
10 more to go.
10 more?
10 more. It's 1 a.m. 10 more to go.
I'm gonna get the bug. I'll be back, guys.
I don't think I've ever had a Whataburger in the day. Have you ever eaten Whataburger in the middle of the day?
You know, I've lived in Texas for 3 years. Never had Whataburger a single time.
You've never had Whataburger? Have you had Whataburger?
At night.
Like only at night.
Only
It's
like
always
2 a.m. or later.
What time is it?
Usually when I'm like delusional.
It's 4 a.m.
It's like 4:15.
It's 4 dude.
Hey.
Let's go. All right.